So great test match.
Not a great test match. Great result, you can say. After many years, after decades, rather, South Africa finally कुछ तो ICC में एक one win, big win they could register. But as a test match, I don't know. I mean, 3 दिन में खत्म हो, 4 दिन में खत्म हो जाना, एक एक दिन में 25 विकेटें गिर जाना, for the top two teams, after 2 years of grinding it, after 2 years of trying to show that we are the best in the game, both the teams, they collapsed like nobody's business. मतलब पहले दिन पे, दूसरे दिन पे, every day 8, 10, 10, 12, 12 wickets. That's not a test match according to me. No. Yes, while you can say one odd individual performance in the end kind of made the difference, Aiden Markram after. But if you see first inning में वो क्या खेला था, तो I can only say that it was his day. I mean, I don't see that as a great test innings. I don't. The only, in fact, great test performance in this match, I still think was Pat Simcox, who did not let go. Even those last 20 runs, fought tooth and एक एक run देने के लिए he fought.
No, I say great because it's always relative. In comparison to the last two WTC finals, which India lost, they were fairly one-sided. India didn't turn up in that sense. तो यहाँ पे फोर्थ डे तक पहुंचा. कई टेस्ट मैचेस तो पहुंच नहीं रहे आजकल. फोर्थ डे तक पहुंच के लास्ट तक, the way, like you rightly said, Australia was playing was that they didn't leave it. वो 65 में भी उन्होंने उनको निचोड़ दिया, पूरा उनका जूस निकाल दिया. They had to really work hard for each run. But where I disagree with you completely, I thought I saw the innings and I thought it was a very classy innings. All his strokes were very emphatic. वो intent भी था. Touch and go, leave नहीं हो रहे थे. Either he was going for proper, cover drives, straight drives, or those delicate touches. But there was no tentativeness in any of the shots that he was playing. He was fully confident. His day तो तब होता जब miss होती balls बहुत outside the off stump वगैरह.
हाँ, no, I don't. I agree, Vishal. I don't mean that he was very confident and very positive. But
I would say South Africa's greatest test innings ever to me.
That I wouldn't, because see again, you see the performance between the first inning and second inning. No, test matches are defined when you play for a longer period. It's about consistency. It's about having that. अब वो फर्स्ट डे पे अगर खेल लेता, फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में खेल लेता, फिर सेकंड में, तो I would have said at least as a match performance he did well.
I would say more so because he was out for a duck in the first innings. I think
he came back.
I think he absorbed the pressure.
He batted well. He looked good. I'm not denying any of that. I'm underwhelmed only because as a test match, first of all, the match did not get anywhere close to being exciting. It was a seesaw, but it was not like on the edge. अब क्या होगा? पता ही चल रहा था कि अब ये इस direction में जा रहा है.
No, again I differ because third innings के बाद भी हमको मालूम नहीं था कौन जीतेगा. सब सोच रहे थे ऑस्ट्रेलिया जीतेगा. But the way they came back with their batting. So to me, अगर आप fourth innings के start पे जिसको hands down favorite पकड़ रहे हो, वो हार जाए और दूसरा जीत जाए, to me that is exciting enough because everyone's predictions were off.
That doubt came in my mind जब last 10th wicket partnership went beyond 50 runs for Australia second innings में, जो नहीं जाना चाहिए था, which is again a blunder from South Africa actually. That if you can't get number 11 batsman out, अब कभी-कभी कोई somebody sticks, that happens in test cricket. But आप उसको इतना
में भी उसने मारा था.
हाँ, मारता है.
That's the thing with Australian team, na, they just lift themselves.
They lift themselves. They suddenly turn into batsmen. Bowlers become batsmen become bowlers. दोनों कर लेते वो लोग. They are amphibious. So, but still, I don't know. Okay, maybe I'm just a little tough on them over there. It was a good, overall final khatam hua. It was a good day for test cricket. Overall, if you see, because at least whether I'm satisfied or no, they are still sustaining Test cricket. However, they are doing it, and they are doing really good.
Full
Absolutely.
people were glued to the screens.
Glued to it. Yeah.
I was traveling, but I could see people following the match.
Yes.
So I think the World Test Championship in that way has achieved its objective.
Yes. No, people like me also who were disgruntled still was watching it. I was watching it every ball. मैं उठा नहीं था. So while I was cursing, because I always expect and I want that. I still crave that those test matches, where people go on till the last over of the last day and still don't give up, both sides. And I've seen those. We both seen those kind of test matches, where एक wicket बाकी हो रहा है और 6 run बचे.
Level of skill in terms of batting also isn't there. अभी हमेशा to that extent India takes a lot of flack कि थोड़ा सा cloud जाए नहीं कि ये लोग डर जाते हैं. But I think nowadays it started applying to every team because इतना ज्यादा एक दूसरे के countries में ये लोग खेलते हैं, इतने दिन पहले पहुंचते हैं. अभी while India may not have played too many matches, India A टीम में लिटरली 3-4 लोग हैं इंडिया मेन टीम के जो 15-20 दिन से बैठे हैं वहां पे. ठीक है, सो दैट एक्लेमेटाइजेशन ये वो सब आजकल हो जाता है. सब हो जाता है. एज फार एज कमिंग टू इंडिया इज कंसर्न्ड,
देयर वाज अ टाइम जब तीसरी मैच तक तो हम एक्लेमेटाइज हो जाते थे, पहली 2 हारने के बाद
पहले ही इतने दिन पहले पहुंच जाते हैं वहां.
तो सो एनीवे, कमिंग बैक टू द मैच, आई थिंक Pat Cummins, Temba Bavuma, definitely Markram, highlights of these 3 players. I think highlighted the
not to forget Rabada.
I know I was going to I know he's your favorite. So Rabada, of course, but I think Bavuma का नाम जाएगा history में as the first South African captain after decades to lift a ICC
absolutely
trophy. And that will never, that's now become history. That cannot be changed.
No, and I think it takes the not just the monkey but an orangutan off their back a little. Yes. आज इतना बड़ा वो था ना, अब forever and forget people talking about it. You actually start to believe it कि maybe हम कभी जीतेंगे ही नहीं. And that forever and ever is gone now.
Yes.
At least for the coming few months, and I think it was coming. It was आज उन्होंने 2023 के भी सेमीफाइनल में पहुंचे, 2024 के T20 वर्ल्ड कप की फाइनल में पहुंचे, वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप. So I think the way to bust this myth is to first start being consistent.
I think I was looking at the statistics. I think overall, I think some 29 or 39 was it, number of times they have entered either semi-finals or finals of an ICC tournament, including T20, One Day, Championship Trophy, and WTC, and they have not made it. So after 29 times, एक तो होना.
It's not about how many times they lost the knockout. अगर आप गिनने जाओगे ना तो शायद इंडिया के भी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स दे लॉस्ट द नॉकआउट बहुत हाई होंगे. It must be very high. The problem is how many have they won?
One, correct. India eventually जीता भी है.
Losing knockouts, maybe India has lost as many as South Africa or not too far from them, but India has also won many more than them. People remember the winning.
Correct.
So इसलिए इंडिया को उस हिसाब से चोकर नहीं कहा जाता जैसे इनको कहा जाता है. So वही बात है, they won, they crossed the line.
No, it is tough. See, let's not forget India also after 2011 had a big drought.
No, absolutely. 2013.
So तो अभी recently
took them 11 years from 2013 to 24. And what we are talking Champions Trophy भी नहीं जीत पाए.
Yeah.
बाकी तो छोड़ो. Not that I'm not for a minute underestimating the Champions Trophy. It's as difficult as a World Cup.
It's virtually a knockout tournament.
So it hasn't been easy for India. What has happened is in the top 4-5 there is massive competition. अब वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट में आप अगर इंडिया, इंग्लैंड, ऑस्ट्रेलिया ले लो एंड थ्रो इन साउथ अफ्रीका हियर एंड देयर, ये टॉप 4 में भयंकर कंपटीशन है और बॉटम हाफ में कुछ कंपटीशन ही नहीं रहा. तो वो टॉप 4 में इतना ज्यादा कंपेटिटिव हो चुका है कि इट्स नॉट इजी. वन कैन आर्ग्यू कि 4 ही तो टीम बढ़ो, 4 इतनी टफ है कि उन 4 में से आप और 2 टीम निकालो, 12 टीम भी उन्हीं 4 में से बना सकते हो. इतनी टफ.
Absolutely,
it's not easy, and that's clearly there to see. But I think मैंने एक ट्वीट किया था मैच के पहले कि if Markram, Rickelton, Bavuma, Jansen, Maharaj, Rabada and Nigri play their best ever match, Australia will have a handful. Half of them only had to play the best ever match, and usme bhi Australia for them. I mean, they were a handful for Australia. So, which also shows that the Australian, जो हमने discuss भी किया था, Khwaja out of form, Labuschagne out of form, Webster, new guy coming in, Green coming in after a long time. All these things have hurt them.
I was just coming to, yeah. So what all the things that went wrong? Yes, all the names you mentioned, and Smith not coming through. See, he batted well in the first inning. Second में वो एक झटका लग गया, और फिर even after that he was off the field because of the injury.
Now though he will do two West Indies also, I think.
So, but you know, with a player like Smith, what happens is when he is on the field, no, he is a chatterer.
Yes.
He keeps the team spirit. He's always talking to the captain, giving.
Let's not forget, he was a good captain also.
No, and not Pat Cummins को जरूरत नहीं है, but वो उसको भी ज्ञान दे सकता है.
Yes.
Help कर सकता है. So, and if you're off the field, you're out. अभी वो brain fade moment अभी नहीं हो सकता कि बाहर से बता रहा है ये कर वो कर. So that's why he won't even dare do. So that was also a big loss कि strategically जो last वो moment में they could not crack Markram, that could have added to it that, you know, Smith was not on the.
Yes.
कुछ नहीं तो he would have gone into Markram's ears and started, you know, कुछ बकवास या कुछ उसको unsettle कर देता, गाली बिली दे देता, कुछ तो करता हो.
And in fact, at age 36 plus, if you have broken your finger, you know, when you will come back, will you also come back?
Come back or no?
Maybe question marks आएंगे अभी.
Absolutely.
Because अब वो West Indies तो जाएगा नहीं Test series के लिए.
Yes.
So if he doesn't go there, then I don't know when Australia's next Test series is. I have to check that.
I think Hazelwood did harm Australia because everybody expected. I expected that he would be an equal support from the other end, which I think he was a little. That was another.
He did tired because of the IPL, you know, travel, and now I think.
Maybe IPL to Pat Cummins
has shouted him, saying that he could have come here instead of wasting time in the IPL final. But
IPL तो सारे कितने players खेल के आए थे यार.
ये last तक वहीं रुका था ना.
वो रुका था, correct.
He was there till the 3rd of June. He must have reached England on the 6th of June. So to that extent, he did, you know, come in at the last minute. Lack of practice तो रहेगा. The temperatures change, the format changes. अब सी हर बार क्या हो रहा है, लास्ट दो WTC फाइनल्स में इंडियन टीम सुन रही है, ये लोग IPL खेल रहे थे इसलिए. अब जो आ रहा है वो सुनेगा. So I think maybe they need to figure out a slightly tweaked window for this.
Yeah. Anyway, now it's going to be about the new cycle that's going to begin, and
Yes.
England is going to kick off the new cycle. So let's look forward to that.
In fact, it's going to be a very different Australian team also. I don't know how long can they sustain Labuschagne's failure also. Usman Khwaja को तो एज के बेसिस पे ड्रॉप कर देंगे. 38 हो गया है. बट आप Labuschagne को भी कितना खींचोगे? वो आइडियली पूरी इंडिया सीरीज में भी फ्लॉप ही था.
Yes.
He's just flopping left, right, and center. So
in fact, Khwaja has been performing. भले वो बुड्ढा हो गया, पर वो रन तो मार रहा था. इस मैच में नहीं मारा.
He was Bumrah's bunny in Australia.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे भी he didn't perform well. I think in Khwaja's case, they just have to see कि next series कब है and how long is he going to sustain. At 38, you don't have the best reflexes. He's not playing T20 in one day. How long can he, you know, keep himself fit?
Correct. So Labuschagne, Khwaja, and Smith also with his injury, he might not be there now. So
Head is the only one who had a one-off test match. Otherwise, he generally is very consistent.
I think it's high time actually Australia also realized that Head is going to be like that. You can keep him in the test team as a lottery ticket. तो वो जब लग जाएगी तब लग जाएगी. वो
इंडिया के सामने तो लगती है.
Like इंडिया के सामने लगती है. तो that is a different.
But by the end of this test cycle, which would be a year and a half, 2 years from now, all three, Stark, Hazelwood, and Cummins also would have reached a certain stage where they will have to start picking and choosing series and matches and formats.
Maybe much before that.
Yes, maybe
because they're fast bowlers. They are not, you know, so they can't. Green का भी सोचना पड़ेगा. Failed in both the innings, 0 पे out. They thought they will be. I thought he was an all-rounder, but they took him as a pure batsman. So
yes. Yes.
He never bowled a single ball. So they'll have to figure out rather कि वो क्यों है और कब तक रहेगा.
I don't understand if he deserves to be in the side as a pure batsman. There is no logic. It's like
they give him enough chances to prove himself, and अगर लाबुशेन निकल जाता है और Smith नहीं आता है, so they might have to hang around.
Maybe they'll have to get that youngster Constance back.
Maybe.
So, but all in all, I think great news for South Africa.
Yes.
Much well deserved. I think the entire cricketing fraternity, fans of cricket all over the world.
It's a big moment for the country also. The whole nation was waiting for them to do something.
And there is another Lord after Lord Shardul now, Lord Bavuma.
Yeah, Lord Bavuma. And he will stay Lord Bavuma now.
Yes, Lord Bavuma forever.
Forever.
So
let's discuss India England in the next episode, and
yes, let's look forward to that. Let's catch up again on that series.
I think it starts on the 20th, so maybe we can meet before that once the teams are finalized, or we know closer to the playing 11 selection and also
yes,
talk about that. Okay.
Okay.
Bye, Vishal.
Bye.